So guys, I have enabled the raise hand, Kanchan and Chetak. So any of you guys can actually click on that. You can just click on raise hand and I can take one of you guys in. Whoever wants to come on live. Chetak, if you guys can hear me. Sorry. Kanchan. Okay, Kanchan, sorry, I did something wrong. Can you just raise hand again? I'll just take you online. I clicked on the wrong button. Okay. Kanchan, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Vijayata, happy Diwali, by the way.
You just need to be a little louder, Kanchan.
Can you hear me? Do you
Yes,
hear
yes,
me?
yes.
Yeah,
Absolutely clearly. Thank you.
yeah. So we're wishing you as well as TiE Bangalore a very happy Diwali, and thank
Thank
you for this wonderful opportunity to get together today. Really excited.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you, Kanchan. So, Kanchan, I just tell you the thing. So, you're live right now. You're on Facebook Live as well. This is being
Wonderful.
recorded. It will be on YouTube. It's going to be on the Vidphone TV as well. Okay. So, introduce yourself, talk about your startup, and what is it that you have in store for everyone. Just go ahead and it's your platform. Go for it.
Sure, sure. So first of all, I'd like to wish all the Thai members or people who are watching a very happy Diwali. And it's a great occasion to be, interacting with Thai members as well as other people from the startup ecosystem. I'm the founder of Loan Genie, which is a lending fintech and which gives small personal unsecured loans to salaried millennials in organized sector in Bangalore. And we normally go to market through B2B to C route, talk to the companies, and then conduct financial awareness webinars for the company employees. So because we do understand that financial wellness, mental health, and other things are pretty important as far as employees wellness is concerned. So, one of the ways we support that is through our financial wellness webinars, in which we educate the employee about various aspects of financial wellness, like insurance, planning, any kind of financial planning, retirement planning, kid planning for the kids welfare, and as well as the family. I guess things around the family, also investments, be it mutual funds or general investments that you want to make. So basically, we're looking at that, and we're also trying to see if we can get some of it on our website, as well as the various social media channels we are there on. In fact, you can find us at Loan Genie on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter as well. Besides our website www.loangenie.com. So our purpose is to one is obviously to give loans, small loans to salaried millennials, and we just focused on Bangalore. But other than that, we're also looking at educating people about financial matters, about money matters, because we find that that is one thing which is really lacking. So that's what is keeping me busy. And other than that, I love giving back to the community. I recently mentored a group of, in fact, two groups of IIT Bombay students, who are very keen on entrepreneurship. So I basically mentored them on their business plan. So whatever knowledge that I've gained over a period of 3 years, I'm trying to pass it on to them. I'm not waiting to be super successful like so many successful entrepreneurs that I see. Whatever knowledge that I gain and mistakes that I make, I share them with the other entrepreneurs. I'm also a mentor of change with the Niti Aayog, and I mentor school students. So that's another thing that I do. Also, I'm very active in the community in Bangalore. Of course, very recently I gave a talk to students at Shishadripuram College as a part of CII IWN's initiative, in which I again talked about entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship, fintech, financial matters, Loan Genie, they're all very close to my heart. And so happy to talk to anybody. You can reach me at Kanchan Trivedi at loangenie.com. So if there's anything that you'd like to discuss with me, would be happy to do that. And now I would like to thank Vijeta as well as TiE Bangalore for this opportunity to present today. Thanks.
Thank you. No problem, Kanchan. Always a pleasure. Kanchan, do one thing. Just whatever you want to share, your email ID or URL, etc. Please put it on the comments part also. Okay, so that the
Sure.
rest of the audience is also going to see it. Number one. Number two, would love to also see. You're talking to all these students and communities. If there's something that we can do for them, we can always organize a time for you organize it, and we can bring a couple of the other startup founders. I could also spare some time for you, and we can have conversations with these students and these young entrepreneurs, whatever we can do. Okay, and
Sure.
and see, it's good to brand, and it's very nice that in real time you're sharing about your learnings, insights, mistakes, whatever you're doing. Okay, it's all learning. There are no mistakes, there are only learnings,
Sure.
right?
Thank you.
So, happy to support you in this journey, Kanchan. You have been a very good person at heart. I know that because we know each other well for so many times. We always meet and talk. Of course, now we don't meet, we only meet like this. But, but you have always been someone who gives back to the community. And thank you so much for all these wonderful insights you are giving, Kanchan. Much appreciated.
Thank you.
All right. And Kanchan, see, I mean, I know there might be a slight mismatch, but to let everyone know that we also keep sharing about all these awards, the various programs that are happening, and we're trying to keep as much possible free, right? So I'm not sure if you managed to take some time out because we had the Wales government, we had the P2P Sales Academy, and then even tomorrow we're doing something called a Startup Sunday, where with Jagat, with Phone, and a few other founders, where we call a couple of we call it an informal boardroom. So maybe we could invite you as well one of these days, if not tomorrow. If it's where you just come in, you talk about your challenges. What are the challenges you're facing? What are the insights that you have to share? And founders help founders. Okay, so it's not some gyan session. Okay, it should
Right.
be real time where founders try to understand, appreciate, and look into what kind of challenges are being faced by other founders, and can we help them, and can we so a lot of things we are trying to do. And thank you so much for this, Kanchan. Your time, your energy is always good for all of us.
Thanks. Thanks, Vijeta.
Okay, so hang on, and please don't forget on the comments, please put all the information that you want, your URLs, your email IDs, or any programs you're running. How can people get in touch with you or know more about Loan Genie? Please share it out there. Okay,
Sure. Thank you.
perfect. Thank you, boss. Happy Diwali again, Kanchan.
Yeah. To you too.
Right? Take care. Take care. Yes. Cheers. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you. That was very nice of Kanchan. I mean, what I really appreciate about her is that she's a startup founder. She has her own challenges, but she's willing to spend time with other people, mentor students, and that's something that we should really appreciate. Because giving back is something that really matters. Thank you so much, Kanchan. That was very, very, uh, useful for us. Okay, awesome, super awesome. So just to let people know that you are already there on this is on Facebook Live, and it's also on YouTube, and of course the Bitphone team, Jagat and team are making sure that the recording will be made available. So I also see that Jagat is also there. Hi, Jagat. If you want to come and say hi to everyone, and Sumit also is here from there. Let me get you first, Jagat. Yeah. Yes, sir. I see you're wearing a kurta almost. Is it?
No, not really. This is just a t-shirt.
Acha, just a t-shirt. Okay, just a t-shirt. Hey, Jagat.
Thought I should, but yeah.
So that was something very nice that Kanchan has been sharing, isn't it? Something very, 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 very inspirational.
Oh yes. I think very interesting to have this small loans business to the millennials. I think
Correct, correct.
really interesting market. Few other friends also I know. There I'm sure there's a lot of money to be made and helping the millennials
Yeah.
also at this time. Yeah.
Correct. Good, good. So how are things, Jagat? How's Diwali looking, and what do you have to share with our audience and startups?
So firstly, thanks so much. Really nice to do this. We Dhamaka. Just wonderful spirit. I think celebrate with founders. Why not? We're I think a bunch of few guys who are always optimistic and want to grow the economy. So good to have everyone. I'm just at my sister's house, having had a very heavy South Indian Diwali lunch, so it's a little difficult to sit up straight. But apart from that, oh yes. So we have some very interesting news, right? I think Vijeta. We've been working on our brand new product called VMail, which is video mail. Basically, there is so much of video conferencing fatigue today, right? People are getting really tired of video conferencing, and so are we. So we have this wonderful thing called Vmail, which is the first ever asynchronous video chat. So it's like your WhatsApp, but it's all in video clips. And also we have a brand new offer for Diwali for everybody. Just visit our homepage, vidphone.me. And what we have now is the annual price, which is at 4990. Sorry, at 9990. We're actually giving it at 4990, celebrating the Diwali spirit and festive atmosphere. So all of you, please reach out, sign up there, and we're always there for support.
That's awesome. And Jagat, I would like you to also talk about some of the other initiatives. Of course, you are a time member, but otherwise, the Startup Sunday also, which you're having tomorrow. So maybe you could just capture some of the pointers, like what are the founders saying? Because I want this to come from a founder perspective rather than my perspective.
Yes, I think very, very interesting formats that we have in Startup Sunday. It's probably one of a kind. I don't think there are too many events happening where founders come to help other founders. And I think it's a very, very useful format. I personally found, like a few of the answers have helped me a lot. And I'm sure other founders, as we have this session today, others who are also part of it, it would be nice if they share their, their experience as well. So, of course, we have done a few sessions thanks to, you hosting, and it's been such a wonderful series. Oh, looking forward to tomorrow as well. People who are here, we look forward to your participation and, inviting your fellow friends and founders to also participate. So Startup Sunday, very interesting. We should keep that going because founders have a nice informal boardroom anytime that they can reach out to. I think it's a very powerful tool. Second is, of course, League of Extraordinary Startups, Silver Jubilee, 25, episode 25. Kudos to you, Vijeta, and kudos to the entire community. Looking forward to a lot more events. 100% we are going to do a lot more. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Yes, absolutely. So thanks for this, Jagat, and looking forward to more. And let's keep talking about what are the other insights, what are the other resources. See, there's a lot of programs, Jagat. I keep spamming and bombarding all the WhatsApp groups, everything. But please take advantage of the various activities that are going on platforms. There are so many people who are sharing, where you can apply for programs, apply for, we are doing this IoT Matrix Awards. Of course, it's focused on IoT. It's mostly on the hardware, 5G, telecom, and connected vehicles, EV, robotics, the new age emerging technology. We have got a lot of support from various people. And the other thing, Jagat, that which I've also offered, we have about 10 stalls at just 3,000 rupees plus taxes. And Jagat, I've requested you also to invest with us, and it's happening on December 10th and 11th. We'll be having hundreds of people coming from all over the world. Networking is what really matters today. And actually, we should take advantage of it, right? And Jagat, what you talked about is email and the various other tools and resources, the widgets on the website that you're offering to startups and founders and companies. I think these are the things that will really make an impact, will make a difference. Of course, you as a founder are also looking to get customers and make money, and nothing wrong with that. That is so critical. You need the resources, you need the cash flows to come in. So more power to you as well, Jagat. Thank you for taking time out on Diwali to set this up for the founders. Very nice of you. Very kind of you.
My pleasure. Again, a shout out. Yes, I would encourage a lot of people to join in on IoT Matrix. I'm also a Time member. I'm going to be there, and I'm sure a lot of other people also. And looking forward to having a wonderful time. More power to everybody. Happy Deepavali, as I say. Great phone. Anytime you want to reach out, just ping me. I'm there.
Perfect.
Right.
Thank you, Jagat, and you be around, and of course enjoy your family time and time with your son and everything. All right.
And thanks to you, Vijeta. I mean, you're the light of the ecosystem. Keep going. Always.
Thank you, my friend. God bless. Yeah. Cheers, buddy. Bye. Thank you, Jagat. Yeah. Yes, that was a very nice thing from Jagat as well. Vipul, I see that you're online. Swarnali is also there. Vipul, would you like to come on line first? You just had to raise hand. Okay, then that's it. Okay. Vipul, the only thing that you show off about your guitar at the back. Okay, one day we'll make you play, and then.
And I got the long hair too, right now.
And your long hair, rockstar long hair, and look at me, I don't have anything.
Yeah, there it is. Right. So I was actually planning to play a little this weekend. Finally got some time, but I just realized as an entrepreneur, there is no Diwali. I have investor pitches today in the evening. I have investor pitches tomorrow in the afternoon.
Okay.
So yeah, there's a lot of work.
Fantastic. So Vipul, first is I wanted to talk about Armon. your product, your baby, your startup, everything. Number one, and number two, also like how are you approaching this? Like everyone talks about this, and of course, I know that you're ex Nascom, ex Growth Story, whatever it is, but how do you get connected to investors? How do you prepare them to connect with you and listen to you? Okay, so I want to just break this up first about you and Armon because you should talk about that, and then
Yeah.
we'll move to the second part. Yeah, go ahead.
Great. So thank you so much, Vijeta. The product that I'm actually working on right now, which is the thesis of the startup that I have, is a product called Armon, which is basically a wearable hand sanitizer. And what we also have, which is very unique to us, it's that it's the world's only wearable hand sanitizer for the gloves. Nobody else can come close. Along with that, we've had major developments in the last couple of months. We've been able to reduce the cost of manufacturing to a surprising figure, which makes it a product that can actually reach out to everybody in the ecosystem and in the in countries across. I mean, anybody who can afford about 100 rupees, they can be protected themselves. So I'm really glad that we were able to bring it to that particular price point. We've also got selected by George Washington University as the top 15 most innovative product for 2020. So we just closed on that about a week back. We are talking to multiple investors and organizations around the world as of now, trying to see how do we phase it in. What's been really interesting is that with COVID, the idea evolved in terms of maintaining hand hygiene and improving on that. But we've been finding a lot of more applications than we actually imagined. And what is interesting that's come up is that people are looking at the product and they're saying, hey, you know what, we can use it like this as well. So we've had companies that said, it actually makes difference for the manufacturing point of view as well, because when our employees are using gloves, they get contaminated. So we want to fill it with water and we want to use it. It reduces our downtime. I, as the person who actually created it, never realized that this could be a solution, but it just came up, from the customer point of view. So it's been really interesting. And that brings me to the point, like Vijeta, so you rightly said, though I am ex Nascom and ex Growth Story, I do have deeper connects in the ecosystem. How am I getting in touch with the investors? What really happens is that, and this is a process that I've followed and it's been really helpful, and and I've seen a lot of success in it, is keep interacting with people in the ecosystem. A lot of solutions that I have built with on the basis of feedback from the people from the ecosystem. It's the best thing if you get somebody from within your industry to give you a solution, but it also works, generically from people who are in the ecosystem who help raise funds, who are, talking about business processes from a legal point of view, from a CA point of view. So they all come on board and really help you in terms of, solving your particular problems. And that's what I've done. It's been an iterative process for me for the last 4 months. The solutions keep coming, as in when I talk, I keep improving and, keep getting out there into the market and talking. And what has happened is that with every iteration of the product, it keeps getting a little better. The initial cost, I'll give you an example. When I started off, let's say it was about 100 rupees. I've now been able to scale it down to just about 5 rupees.
Wow.
And that's been because of the inputs. Similarly, from an investment point of view, I can now break even within a month's time. That's been an interesting proposition. It's thanks to people pointing out opportunities that I was even able to get in touch with George Washington University. That has opened up a lot of opportunities for me. Organizations, friends came together, people, and where's sir, I mean, a shout out to you as well for helping me connect with a lot of good people in the ecosystem. So I would say what's really important is be present, select the activities that you want to be a part of, but please do be a part of it. It's like in the older generations, we used to have people picking up the newspaper every day and reading it. Today, to get the right news and the best news, you have to be connected to the ecosystem, and this is one of the best ways to be able to connect it to the ecosystem. So that's what I would have to say, sir.
Awesome, Vipul. And Vipul, how do you do your research work? See, one of the things that, okay, you decided that you want to do this product, right? But you did research work, right? Not just because you liked something, you liked some color, or you thought something would work out. You did validation, you did research work, you talked to some people, you spoke to people who can help you manufacture it, etc. Right? So what are the simple pointers and processes, if you don't mind, a few aspects if you can share?
Absolutely. So from a product point of view,
Slightly louder.
Can you hear me now? Is this better?
Yeah, it's better, but louder. Speak louder.
Okay. So no worries. So basically, as a process, when I realized that, there was a challenge in terms of, people not maintaining hand hygiene and needed a solution, that came from observation. Then quickly worked on iterating and figuring out, does a product exist in the market or not? That's your basic competitive research and market research. Once I was really confident that a product like this doesn't exist, there is an opportunity to open up and really create something new, is the time that I actually started ideating on creating something new. Once I started on creating something new, I had to reach out to the people who were from the industry. For example, we got in touch with DRDO scientists, we got in touch with a lot of doctors, we got in touch with a lot of other people. So that was a very industry specific approach that we followed. Once that is done, and once you validated the success of your product, that it works, either in the software or in the physical product side, once you justify that and you have a working prototype, then you got to reach out to the larger people and see how do they look at your product. Do they understand your vision? Do they understand how they work? Is your idea converting into something that they can comprehend and they can work with? So it starts working on those particular lines. And again, sir, you cannot define what sort of an input would come from where. So after a point of time, when I had the product ready, when I had the basic product ready, I started reaching out to everybody that I could in my network. And I've got some really, really, really interesting inputs from different people. I didn't expect those inputs from those people, but it's been out there. And this is what I've realized, talk to people about your product, get it out there, get feedbacks, get active feedbacks. You never know which one of them might actually end up being a unique proposition for you. So once you've done your basic work, once you have, reached a threshold of saying, this product works, I would say go all out. Talk to people. It's also a different form of marketing because you get a lot of support from people in terms of that. In fact, I've been able to raise a lot of orders even before I'm actually, manufacturing it because of those inputs and connect with the ecosystem.
Interesting, very interesting. So, however busy you are, and and whatever anyone says, you have 24 hours in a day. You have 24 hours in a day. You must stay connected and focus on your product, but don't stop the networking, building relationships, etc., etc. That's awesome, Vipul. Thank you so much, Vipul. I know it's a Diwali day for everyone, so I won't take up too much time.
Yeah, I have to go put
Always
the
a pleasure
lights.
and delight to have you with us.
Thank you, sir. I have to go put the lights now. I've not put the lights in the house till now, sir.
Yes, yes. I mean, God's grace, you'll have good opportunities to leave your house for not just business, for holidays, for traveling, and whatever else you want to do. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Same to you, sir. Wish you a very happy Diwali.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thanks, Upal, and take care now. Okay. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your Diwali. Much appreciated. Okay. Bye bye. Okay. Now I'm going to get Lucian. So some very useful insights from Vipul about maintaining the network and goodwill and relationship. So Lucian, if you are here and you're listening to me, I have sent you a connect request. You can take it up. I'll let it ring for some more time. Otherwise, we'll just move on the ladder. Okay. Okay. So I think Lucian is cut. Let me just disconnect this call. All right. And let me just go through the pointers that are coming on. And yes, thank you. Thank you so much, Kanchan. Once again, thank you for sharing all your details because that is very crucial and very important. I've just got to send a link to a couple of people. Just hang on for a second, folks. So I just want to talk about if most of you are sharing and you're there on my timelines, whether it's on Twitter or Facebook or LinkedIn, and what Ty is also sharing is that we have the IoT Matrix Startup Awards that is open for applications right now. As I mentioned, it's going to be around IoT, hardware, 5G, robotics, emerging technologies. As long as you're an Indian-based startup beyond POC and within 7 years since inception, you're most welcome to apply. Now, why should you apply? Because there are a lot of goodies waiting. There's a lot of mentoring hours. There's going to be a lot of recognition. There's going to be a lot of, I mean, those of you who are not time members, we're offering some discounts, etc. We're giving you free memberships, free mentoring. So there's a lot of activity going on over there. And hey, thanks Sonu for joining. Would you like to do the raise hand and I can get you on the online? Okay, so whoever the viewers are, yes, that's it. Sonu and like Lagan, I'll go with you next. All right. Just a moment, Sonu. Yeah.
Hello.
Right. Namaste, Sonu sir.
Namaste and happy Diwali to everyone.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you so
and
much, Sonu.
thanks Vijita to have this kind of like
सबका दिवाली का intrusion I'm doing. Huh?
correct.
Okay. So Sonu, what I would request you to do, right? So you're an entrepreneur, you're a startup, and of course you've been around for a few years. So what is the kind of offerings you have? What kind of services and products you have? If you can just share it with the audience, please do that.
Sure. So first of all, wish you happy Diwali to everyone. Their family and stay safe. And in Bangalore, we are getting some crackers, but not that like Delhi or those kind of things. So I yesterday I went to with my family and we got some crackers on Hosa Road. That Hosur Junction. Okay, so coming to we basically provide on-demand developer, and we work with multiple kind of like startups and MNC, and we support end-to-end product development. So when I say end-to-end product development, it can be a kind of like from very small level, like where they want to do some MVP, and then they want to build a big like kind of the ERP or SAP kind of solutions. So initially we supported with Precto, Cookwell, Asklela, lot of products. Okay, so if any entrepreneur need any kind of support with the low cost, just they want to do some kind of the experiment and they want to support, we are always here. So we work in like mobility side, Android, iOS, or full stack development, where we do like kind of the Angular, Node, Java, all those kind of the skill set. So if
And
any entrepreneur need any kind of the tech support, we are always here, and we are based
fantastic.
here in HSL.
HSR layout, fantastic. So no, I want to talk about two things. Okay, not more than two things, but in bullet points. Number one, I want to name some of the customers, if you are okay to do it, just a few over the last few years. Who are the customers that you're working with, just to understand?
Sure. So primarily we work with as I mentioned to you, couple of startups like Thrillopilla we supported, then some of the AI based company like Scan.ai, ConvergeNow.ai. So we are doing a lot of AI ML product, and then we are supporting some of the like kind of the service bell kind of application where you need help desk or those kind of the application we build. And even if like we did a lot of school application where they need to manage end to end like kind of the attendance, payroll, all those kind of support. So we work with 100 plus startup in past 1 or 2 years.
Okay, interesting. Then see number two. Okay, see Sonu, now though you've been around for many years, you've got a good reputation in the market and all that. That is all fine. But you also, I know, went through a dip in the months of March, April, May. A little bit of shakiness was there. Am I wrong in saying that?
Yeah, it was little bit, but then we pick up very fast way, because like working from home, in terms of the software side, like everyone, even if like a smallest a shopkeeper, they need a website or
Mhm.
they need a mobile application. So
Okay,
for
okay,
that is a opportunity which we seen.
okay. Interesting.
So yeah,
But then,
and
okay,
and
yeah, understood. Sorry. But the question that okay, then my second question to you is, all that is fine. But how do customers find you, or how do you find customers? What is the way that you and your team are, being very productive and effective in your sales approach? If you can just throw some light for the founders here.
Yeah, yes. For me, like sales is like, see, as I am well connected with Vijita. So for me, like, see, such kind of like, if Vijita connect with like other customer, that I mean, like for me, referral work very well.
Okay.
Not only here, but let's say NCR region, Bombay, and other places. Like we have community guys, and they support me a lot. And apart from that one, we do a lot of kind of like digital marketing, and we have a kind of like the sales team who primarily pick the customer they need certain kind of the service. So how we go is like LinkedIn is very effective tool for us.
Okay.
LinkedIn, Naukri, and Angel List. So for
Okay.
us is IT service, IT company, where they post the requirement like they are looking for some Android guy, iOS
Mhm.
guy, and then what we do is like we search that particular company, and then my sales team pitch like who is the CTO and who is the right person to reach there. So we send a quick liner mail saying that these are the resources we have it, and immediately we get a response that they are looking for this resource. Can you help us?
Hmm.
So for us, that is the best way which we seen.
Okay, very interesting. Very interesting.
Yeah,
So one must understand how Angel List and LinkedIn works. I think that's what you're trying to say. We should not run away
correct.
from that. Fantastic. And I think new technologies are coming up. Jagat was talking about Vmail and widgets on the website where you can do video chat. So let's see the new tools of productivity are there. So you're
Correct.
feeling that Sonu, what are the challenges that you're facing? Is everything going on well? I know you have ramped up your team. You're getting global customers. But what are the challenges you face as an entrepreneur or a founder?
So initially, in terms of the kind of like the cash flow, in like some of the cases I seen in like during this COVID, like many of our customers stopped paying us for certain time, and where we struggled a lot, and then we have to cut down some salaries for some resources,
Hmm.
and same time. But what we did is like we have created some kind of the funnel, sales funnel, so that means like we will not be dependent on those customer only, and then we come up with kind of like a backup. So right now my situation is like we have crossed around 100 resources right now, 100 employee in my team.
Hmm.
But same time I suggest for all the entrepreneurs, I mean like they should be having a kind of the sales funnel in a very proper way. Otherwise, like if they are dependent on one customer, two customer, and if they are not paying, then you are gone.
Yeah.
So you should be having a always backup.
Hmm.
And that is how, I mean, like we started reaching also some of the MNCs, like we are working with Deloitte, JP Morgan, and then Hexaware. So we are getting like pretty good amount of
Amazing.
traction.
So you must have a good value proposition, and you should not hesitate to reach out to more and more people and sell. That's important.
Correct.
That's the messages that you're sharing with the founders. Brilliant, Sonu.
Yes.
Thank you, my friend. I
Thank you.
know you are also a young father. You have your family, and it's Diwali time for you. So please stay around, stick around, Sonu. And of course, you should also on the comments section your email ID and other things. Please share it also. Okay.
Sure.
Whoever
Thanks.
wants,
Thanks,
yeah.
Vijay.
No
Thanks.
problem,
Thanks.
boss.
Thanks.
No problem. Okay. Take care, buddy. All
Thank
the
you.
best.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
All right. So that was one of these cool guys. So I see that Jagat has got something on offer, 4990 for the year. Amazing. So that's a Diwali offer. Very nice, Jagat. Thank you so much for that. And yes, so we had Sonu, we had Vipul, we had Kanchan. Now I think Lagan, if you can kind of raise your hand, I can get you online. Okay. Just do that raise hand option, and then I'll get you in. Okay. And I also see that we have Dr. Dinesh, we have Swarnalil Sinha, and then we have Khalid. Okay. So if you can, one thing that you can do, Dr. Dinesh, as well, if you can just introduce yourself on the comments so I know who you are, and I will definitely, whoever raises hand next, whether it is Lagan or Dr. Dinesh, I can, or Swarnalili, I can get you guys online immediately. So some very interesting in the meantime, some of the learnings that Sonu also talked to us about. As founders, yes, digital tool, LinkedIn is very critical. Angel list, and I think these couple of things are something to. And I also recommend a lot of people to write. Have your own blog. You can always use medium.com as a platform or on your own website. Be preparing yourself and positioning yourself all the time in terms of the thought leadership and other things. So we have an academician with us, Dr. Dinesh. Hi, Dr. Dinesh. You're with SRM University. If you'd like to come online, you need whoever wants to come online, just do the raise option, raise hand option. So Dr. Dinesh or Lagan, any one of you, whoever does it first, I will get you guys online immediately. Okay. And so I'm just kind of capturing what Vipul has said also. He was also saying, right, that build your reputation, build your goodwill, stay connected with the ecosystem. There is a lot happening. Okay. So Type Bangalore, of course, since last 7 months, we have been, as so many other people, we are doing everything virtually. But a lot of people have been coming for our workshops, their webinars. We make this available on Facebook Live, but come online, because when you come online and you can say hi, hello to a lot of folks, we try to create opportunities where the audience also can come in and say hi, like how we're doing it here, right? This is about giving opportunity to other founders to network, talk to each other. Yes, decorum protocol has to be there. We should not be spamming. We should not be only trying to sell our products rather than trying to contribute back to the ecosystem. And these are the things that work out. So, okay, Lagan said, okay, allow me 2 minutes, not a problem. Dr. Dinesh, if you want to talk, you're most welcome to raise your hand and come in. That's an open offer. I would like to kind of, give a quick shout out also to some of the other folks who have been contributing a lot to us. We had people like, Priyank, who's from MySpace, Your Space in Bhopal. He's been doing a lot of work and building his product in stealth mode, but you're going to see a lot of announcements coming in. Jagat, of course, thank you so much, buddy. That despite the fact that you're a startup founder, you're trying to create resources and platforms for other founders. And yes, you also need a lot of support. You also need a lot of love from other people. And hope the other founders will understand that build these innovation clusters, guys. Okay, so And it's not just about Bangalore. I just want to stress on this. There are wonderful things happening in other parts of the town, and and what Kanchan was talking to us about academia, right? So can we bring all these people together? I could be a kind of fulcrum point. I could be someone who can, through the offices of Thai Bangalore, we can help you guys out. Okay, so more than happy to do some of these things. And one thing that I would like to also share about is that what are the other opportunities that right now available in the ecosystem? Okay, so as you know that we have the TGS, that is the Thai Global Summit, that's happening in Hyderabad on 9th and 10th. As delegates, we are like tied this year. I said that we will try to keep as many of our events and sessions free for members and non-members. But yes, as a member, you get some special privileges. This doors will open because we want to prioritize this for our members, and we want to give them more and more opportunity. And then after that, we have the IoT Matrix, which is happening on 10th and 11th. What we'll be offering over there is, of course, the startup awards. You don't have to pay a single rupee to apply for these awards, but please apply. And you can also, we are keeping the registrations open for free as of now. So please apply immediately, because in a few days' time we would have to, of course, like we are a non-for-profit, but we need to also raise some money for ourselves. Next is I am going to have Lagan from Nagpur, the co-founder, CEO of Decron. But he'll be talking about it himself. Yes, sir. Hey, Lagan, how are you, sir? Good day.
Hi.
You're in. Okay, you're in a car. You're traveling somewhere.
I was driving. I just reached the destination. So that's the reason I was asking for 2 minutes.
Okay. Thank you, Lagan. So how's Nagpur? How's business?
Yeah. Business have picked up. Now across India, the fear of corona is slightly reducing. Market is open. So, from last 1.5 months, the business is picking up.
Okay, awesome. Lagan, we did speak in the afternoon today, but I would like you to share with the founders, right? See, I know that your business also took a very massive dip in the first few months, and then last couple of months you have been recovering. So what did you do? What I would like to talk about is focusing on team, the product. How did you reach out to customers? How do you keep the relationship going? What did you do? Yes, if you can introduce yourself, of course, and give more information and talk about all these things. Over to you.
Yeah. Hi. Good evening, all. First of all, I wish you a very happy Diwali. It's a lovely Saturday evening. I think Jagat is doing a splendid job. Vijita is taking us time connecting all of us, and it's really nice. I just wanted to introduce our company. We're a company called Decont. Is a B2B e-commerce platform where sell their goods to retailers and other business entities specialized in hospitality industry like hotelware, restaurant, catering, wedding decoration, event material, and we sell this material across India through mobile apps and through our website. Pre-COVID, our business was, we are really doing good. But when this lockdown started, our business dips 90%. Our sales have dropped down to 90%. And after a month or so, we started talking to all our customers. We decided in this tough time, let's stay connected with the customers. And simultaneously, we also we also approached the new sellers to list the product in our platform. When this lockdown started, we had close to 12 to 13,000 users on our platform, plus close to 5 to 6,000 products. But in the 3-4 months, mostly from June, July, August, and September, we increased the budget in paid promotions in digital marketing to get more and more users on our platform, because mostly people were at home. They have enough time to browse. They were digitalized, and we ask our team to stay connected with the customers, especially the existing customers, and understand what they need, what all products they require. That helps us to get a good feedback. And now, once this in the month of April, when the government announced that the Unlock 5, all the hotels, restaurant, marriage halls are open, we immediately saw high in the sales. People, because people are reluctant to travel now, so the best options for a hotelware, restaurant, marriage, wedding, marriage people is Decont. They just log in, they just see the product, they can purchase online, and they can get the product home delivery.
Beautiful, Lagan.
Yes,
So
over to you, Vijay.
yeah, sure, sure. Thanks, man. So what about a product? How do you make your product stronger? What was the focus on that? Because I mean, expectations also go up very much, and different kinds of customers will come all over the country. They're coming to you. So what are the focus around product?
What we understand that customer, when they look at Decont in terms of product, they feel that whatever is the need, they should get into Decont.
Hmm.
So we have taken a very strong feedback from the customer, and we want to assure our customer. I'll just give an example that कि आपको सुई से लेके ताजमहल तक हमारे डिकॉन्ट पे मिलेगा. You get anything and everything in Decont. So that is right now what we are doing, that in terms of catering, in terms of hotelware, in terms of tableware, in terms of hotel linen, in terms of fancy material, Jaipuri material, what we get in Udaipur, Panipat handloom material, everything we are trying to get onto Decont, so that customer should not
Amazing.
miss out anything.
Beautiful, beautiful. And then, Laganji, this is about other stakeholders. The other stakeholders are your vendors. Okay, they're so important for you because the quality assurances that they bring in, on-time delivery, and all that. So, how do you work with vendors, Lagan?
Currently, as I my before starting Decont, I had a offline store
Hmm.
for decorating catering material for almost 6 years.
Hmm.
So I have a good contact with the vendors, and currently from last 6 months we done a referral scheme for our vendors, that if you refer your friend to sell on Decont, you will get rewards. So mostly vendors, what we are getting is through our network only, and we have a very strict agreement that you need to ensure with the quality tools to ensure that the customer should get the right material. And suppose if any case, if they missed out on the quality, we penalize them with some charges. So that gives us an assurity that the right vendors are coming onto Decont platform. And yes, post COVID, logistic is absolutely our biggest challenge, because most of the places the delivery is not available. But from last 3 months, we have added Express Bees, FedEx, and Blue Dart to our this thing logistic platform, to ensure that we can deliver the product to across India. But still, we are not able to, mostly in northeast area like Assam, Nagaland, Tripura, where still the logistic is a big constraint.
Hmm. Interesting, interesting. So you are making sure that growth will happen, no? Lagan? Huh? That's the focus that you have
Yes,
for
yes,
yourself. Nice,
yes,
nice.
yes, yes.
Fantastic, fantastic. And I think we were talking about the fact that funds are important, raising investments are important, but having the customer to support you, having your vendors to support you and make you grow. I think that's as important, if not more important. And then investment money will always come in.
Yes, yes.
Fan-
I truly believe on that, because we get a chance on, because now the cash on delivery system
Hmm.
is not there. People
Okay,
are paying only online payment.
okay,
So we
okay.
have a good, so we have a decent cash flow post COVID.
Okay, beautiful. Awesome. Lagan, I will not take up more of your time. I know that you have reached a destination and it's a Diwali evening and family time for you and your kids and wife. So take care. Wish you all the very
Yes,
best. And of course, we are going to stay in touch. All right. Take care, Lagan.
yes, yes.
Thank you
Thank
for your
you,
time.
sir. Thank you all. Again, happy Diwali.
All right.
Bye.
Bye bye. Take care, buddy. Thank you very much. So that was Lagan. He's actually an entrepreneur based out of Nagpur and doing very well for himself. He had a thriving corporate career, but then he took up his business, and now they're growing. They're fighting the battles out, and it's very interesting. So thank you so much to everyone. So very nice, very nice. So I'm just getting some inputs and feedback from a few folks. They were talking about customers and making sure that if you take care of customers, you get your payments on time. Your team is getting taken care of. Your goodwill and relationship and reputation in the market is looked after well. So I think some of the things that have been shared with me also is that no, we should not ignore the power of digital tools. The very fact that we're using Vidphone today, we're talking to each other, we're communicating, we're putting, resources and insights. People are getting connected from all over India and maybe globally as well. There's so much of opportunities to really get into the digital tools, the connectivity tools, the innovation platforms that are there. We using Vmail, using video tools. This is so very critical and so very important. Okay, so this is something very interesting and very nice. And I would also like to give a quick shout out that we have a few other people are there. We have Jagat. You wanted to say something, share something with us once again. So please come, please come. I want to ask you a couple of questions around this email. Like, what can founders do to take advantage of your offer, and how can they use Vmail? So Jagat, if you could just quickly raise hand and come in. Yes, Jagat. So Jagat, you have got a very nice offer for the founders, but how do they leverage it? For example, if they're going to invest in you, hmm, and if you were that founder, how would you leverage this tool very smartly?
Great question. Thanks for having me back. See, the number one thing is this product is built actually keeping us as the main customer focus. We are also a B2B startup. And the main question is, how does a business to business organization today, be it a startup, be it an enterprise, how do they reach out to new customers? How do they engage with the new customers? And then, convert them into actual long-term and happy, customer base. So that has always been the focus for us. But if you look at the existing solutions, they're all, I would say, piecemeal solutions. Somewhere you can do a conference, you can do a webinar somewhere, you can do appointment scheduling somewhere, and this becomes very difficult for a smaller team. And with a digital focus, you need to juggle many balls in the air. So one of our focus has been to streamline this entire process. So we have a very seamless, what we call a video funnel, where you start with the webinars, then you engage the prospects with Vmail and video appointments, which can be one-to-one demos, and then afterwards you actually go down to one-to-one calls as well, and the whole flow, right, to get them as new people interested in your business, getting them to build trust with you and your offering, and then to become paying customers for a longer time. I think we are probably the first people to crack that whole flow, and I'm very happy about that. Of course, no download, hyper secure platform with phone. But more importantly, this is the spirit of Diwali. I wouldn't want to do too much of sales here, but just this, of course, wonderful to have so many people who have joined us already. I think the energy is unstoppable. I was just telling people, you can stop all the fireworks on the roads, but you cannot stop the fireworks in the founder's mind. It is impossible.
That's very interesting. So, what is the landscape that you see, say, 3 months from now, considering the fact that, there is a little bit of apprehension about traveling, and at the same time, you got to sell. Remote sales is very, very, very critical. You have to learn how to do product demos remotely, etc. So, what are the ways? And you, of course, you also platform also you are selling remotely, correct? You're a SaaS thing. You have Vmail, then you have all these various offers for the customers. So, what are the things and what are the productivity tools, the tracking tools that you use, Jagat, as a sales company? Okay, so this is like just remove the founder cap.
Yeah.
As a salesperson, what do you think you should be doing?
I think the number one thing in this era is to accept that remote selling is the norm. I think sales has been there for ages, and there has been a certain way in which sales has happened, as all of us know. A lot of focus on the physical meetings, and I think these things, we should not go back now. There's no time to think, are we going to get to pre-corona days? I think this wastes time. We need to quickly accept the quick reality. We already have the tools. I have a lot of faith in the Indian ecosystem. We adopt technology probably faster than any country in the world. And we're already seeing that, right? I mean, look at the case of Lagan with Decont. What a wonderful platform. I think B2B e-commerce is going to be huge in India. And he's pioneering this, from Nagpur. His business is already, on the way. Ours is on the way. I mean, we have, in fact, didn't have much of a stall, but things are, going a lot better. So sales tools for us, very specifically, I'm a big, believer in ConvertKit. I really believe a lot in, ClickFunnels is I think something we use very, 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 very seriously. And of course, Vidphone, which I think we are replacing now Calendly plus the whole Zoom thing, right? To book appointments and then do a call. We have now a one-stop. So I think these tools, Vmail, again, I just want to I mean, I hate selling, but it's the Diwali spirit, pure fireworks, right? People are tired of video conferencing. Just wait for a few months to see what effect Vmail is going to have. It's going to have the benefits of email, where you don't need to be fully there all the time, like a video conference. The benefits of email, but it gives you the benefit of video as well, which is a video experience, right? But at your own time. So I think Vmail, along with this new normal, plus the most important, which is the founder spirit, I think India is going to bounce back like crazy. I mean, I can already feel the vibe, and 2021, I think, is going to be India's year.
Awesome, Jagat. So, what else is going on in the market which will make a big difference? Like, what should the founders be looking at for, which is going to make a big impact?
I think overall, you look at the scenarios, there is always today there is a big, focus towards small tech. There has always been big tech as dominating the entire ecosystem. But I think small tech today has come out stronger than ever before. And really, this, every startup founder today is responsible for the rise of small tech. And we believe that every entrepreneur has a huge role now to play, especially tech-focused startups. I think they have a huge role going forward. This is going to be the trend going forward. People are going to be more and more willing to talk to smaller companies, connect with founders, because the kind of support, and we are really there to help you build your business, right? We are not just here to shortchange our customers. And I think that resonates with every startup founder today. I think small tech is the trend for 2021.
Okay, awesome. So I know, Jagat, you have been, we know each other because of NASSCOM. Of course, now you are also a TIE member and other things. So how does one leverage the ecosystem? This is something that, I don't want to give Gyan about. How do you think this is? How do you think you should be doing this?
Well, it's a good place. I mean, I would, one of the few things I would volunteer and say, okay, I can say something. Because I've been at NASSCOM, we were incubating there. I must say it's been a fantastic place for all of us. We have made so many connections. It's not that, ecosystems are not there. It's not a kind of, spoon feeding kind of system. I don't think you have to be part of the ecosystem, make friends, make genuine friends, be a genuine person, be authentic, right? I think that's what resonates with people. There are too many people today, when you look at a startup founder, even without a hi or hello, you will start pitching your product. Like, we are all a group of people doing the same thing, right? So we understand that, but maybe we can mellow it out, right? Say hello, hi, how are people doing? I'm sure you will be top of the mind recall when something of in your category comes. So that's the best way. I think put your giving foot forward. I would say with NASSCOM, I've had such a wonderful time at the incubation center, along with all the other startup founders. Right, the energy is intoxicating, and that's very important. TIE as well. In the brief time I've been there, what a wonderful ecosystem of driven people. Of course, with your support and the other charter members and everything. So I think my secret to getting the best out of the ecosystems is, be authentic and give first. You will probably get a lot more.
Okay. Thanks, Jagat. I don't want to take up more of your time, but and see, we'll do more, man. I've got some thoughts. You also have some thoughts. There are a lot of like-minded people like Vipul and Ashutosh. So many people are there who want to do some good things with us. We'll crack this, man. Okay.
100%.
Chalo, okay.
Big shout out to everybody.
Thanks, buddy. Take care of yourself. Yeah. Bye-bye. Okay, so I've got Priyank as well. Priyank, would you like to do the raise hand option so that I can get you online immediately? Yeah, thanks, Priyank. Yeah. That's it. Namaste, ji.
Can you see
Diwali.
me?
Yes. Happy Diwali.
Hi. I'm on the phone right now.
No problem, boss. No problem at all. So how's it going? How's things in Bhopal?
Things are good. Everything is going good. All full decorated houses. Just went with my kid to show him some rangolis and all the stuff. Preparing for the puja and everything now. Yeah.
Of course,
you say?
Of course. Yeah, all well, Priya. So how's Priya, very specifically, right? Founder who's already had an exit, and now you're building your next, amazing thing. You also run co-working spaces. You're working with landlords. You're working with other companies to help them to expand all across India. So how's been the journey? What is the things that you're doing differently? And what are the challenges you're facing, Priyank? What are things going on with you?
I think concentrating on sales on more and the processes. Since understanding this market was 4 years, we have understood this market, so got to know like how to talk and everything. Building more and more sales, I think that's the key here. If you have customers, I think your company will flow. That's the number one strategy we are trying to do. Good, have a good team of people, good bunch of people like you, everyone, who is helping us anywhere out. So going good along. I think your space will be live by 1st December. We are in beta, and right what metrics we have achieved in just 3 months, crossing 1 million, 1 million, monthly revenue rate just in 3 months. So going good, Vijay, all going good. I think we are blessed to have a good team and good vision of a company. So going good. Yeah.
Awesome. So Priyank, very quickly, you mentioned this word team. So how do you keep your team, with you? The stickiness factor, keeping them motivated with all the challenges, working remotely. So if for the other founders, you want to share some ways that you keep productivity going on, but at the same time, the team spirit also very strong. So how does that get achieved?
I think communication is the key, number one, and secondly, everyone has his own roles and responsibilities. So it's not like everything is going with me. Everyone knows what to do. We always set up an agenda. We have a 1 year agenda we're already set up, which we have break up in months and those and days. That's how we do it. And everyone works with their own way. For example, if somebody is working with the clients or somebody is SPOC for any client, then he or she has to take care of all that client. And somebody was working for sales, we have a daily agenda set, like how many people we have reached out. So the basically, Vijay, to be very frank, communication is something which keeps us floating.
Mhm.
And everyone is behind the idea, everyone is loving what we have built up. So that's something I think everyone floating. I don't need to keep push so many things
Hmm.
to my team. Everyone is energetic because they're love with the company, and they know
Yeah.
that what they're doing. And if they're achieving on their own, they'll stick. So I
Awesome.
believe it that way. I don't believe that I have to keep pushing my team. I think it comes naturally if you have a right set of people who understand what they wanted to do.
Awesome, super awesome. And I can hear your family in the background as well, Priyank. So I should not take up more of your time. Priyank, so I mean, as you are, the business sentiment is changing, and of course, health comes first. But what is the work that you're doing with all these founders? Because there are a lot of startups who are watching. I know that you have something going around office space, and you're also giving a lot of services, right? So what are
Yes.
the services that you're offering, which people can kind of take advantage over the next, whatever time, once you are going to be sharing it more openly, but something that you like
Yeah.
to talk about?
Uh-huh. I think we have created a beautiful concept of marketplace. Any office space, any company. So we are making any spaces digital. To be very frank,
Hmm.
by digital we say that they have everything on the go. They can have any services, facility services. Any sort of a B2B store they have. They also have any sort of a rental things they needed and stuff. That all things are there in between in the portal itself. So they don't need to go everything there and figure out the stuff. And more importantly, everything is in one-to-one, end-to-end platform. So from entry to exit to booking to management, everything happens, with the transparent in the system. So that is actually, catching the eye in the companies. So any companies or any startup or any incubation center people who are seeing this, they can touch base to us, and saying, hey, we wanted to use your platform, and let's see, and we will happy to help them. Yeah.
Awesome, awesome, Priyank. So there's exciting times ahead, lots of good things, lot of nice offers and support for the ecosystem and founders and large enterprises also, as the economies are getting back into shape. So thank you for
Yes,
this,
yes.
Priyank.
We will come back with a lot of offers for startups. I think we will save hell lot of money for startups
Yeah.
and for make a lot of help for the co-working spaces and the people who are struggling in their rents and everything. I think we'll definitely help in this ecosystem, and we'll
Beautiful.
lead this ecosystem. Sure, for sure.
Brilliant,
And
brilliant.
Diwali to everyone, Vijeta, to you, your family, and who all are watching this video. I think happy Diwali and spend time with family. I just came because Vijeta said me, hey, can you come? I said, okay, I'll be there.
I know.
So,
I'm that way a bad guy. Okay, sorry about that, buddy.
hey, no, not at all, not at all. You're anytime I'm there for you.
All
Anytime.
right. Okay, done, Chiefs. Take care, Priyank, and all the best, buddy. Have fun.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, take it.
Bye bye. Bye
Bye.
bye. Cheers, man.
Happy.
Bye bye. Hi, Prasanna. Thank you for joining us all the way from Sri Lanka. If you don't mind, Prasanna, I'll get you later. I need Jivraj to raise his hand because Jivraj is on his way to the Gurudwara to pray. So, Jivraj, if you can raise your hand, say hi to everyone, and then I would not stop you. Okay? And then Prasanna, you're next. Yes, Jivraj. Namaste.
Hello. Namaste. How are you?
All good, my friend. Thank you so much. So I know that you were on your way out, so just wanted to
Yeah.
quickly bring you in, and then we have
No
Prasanna,
worries.
who's from Sri Lanka, waiting. But how are you doing, my friend? What's going on with you?
All good, nothing much. Just like, podcasting and everything else is going on. I hope everything's fine with you.
Everything is
Happy
fine.
Diwali to you and everybody here.
Yes, yes. And Jivraj, you should not stop sharing resources. Okay, I think you're doing a great
Absolutely.
job with all these wonderful interviews, and you're getting some creme a la creme people to come in, talk, share knowledge, share insights. So this will be very, very useful to all the founders. And I
Absolutely.
and I mean I know that you also have other balls to juggle with all your family and your studies and other things. Okay,
Right.
so tell me something, Jivraj, very quickly. In the last few months, you've been interviewing so many people. Some
Right.
insights, some things that is it's there in your head, it's there in your mind. Something that you think is
Right.
useful for founders. Would you like to share something?
The way I look at it, like, so I'm starting to, like, recollect and find a pattern as well, although it's very difficult to find one. But one thing that stands out is almost all the founders that I've interviewed are very cognizant of their limitations, but still at the same time very ambitious. Like, they know where they can extend themselves to, and they are not impractical about it, but at the same time they have this great foresight as to what they can do. And that is something that, we tend to overestimate, especially like in the earlier stages. Like, I think that is something that is missed by the masses, like remaining cognizant of your own limitations. And I feel that really stands out in everybody's, persona. So I think that has been really great. And yeah, otherwise, almost like it's been great as an experience. And I feel like almost everybody, like, in their own spectrum, is very unique. But yeah, this is one thing that think really stands out.
Interesting, interesting. And what are your plans for the next few months, Jivraj?
I'm looking for an operator role at an early stage. I had actually joined somewhere. Like, so I've just completed graduation and I'm looking to, find my feet in the ecosystem. So yeah, just looking for experience and non-linear growth, as they say.
Good. So you're a great resource for many startups and SMEs and companies. So there's a shout out that you
Thank you
should.
so much.
Why don't you put your profiles and your email ID and other things out there? So whoever wants to get
Sure,
in
sure.
touch with you, and if someone wants to find you on
Absolutely.
LinkedIn, Jivraj, your LinkedIn profile
Right.
also, you can talk about it and you can
Sure,
put.
sure.
Okay, done, my friend. Chalo,
Absolutely.
yeah,
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much. And if anybody has any insights, would be happy to, understand. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Vijeta. You've been of great help and you're very, very kind. Thank you. Happy Diwali.
happy Diwali to you too, sir. Take care, my friend. God bless. Okay,
Bye
bye.
bye. Yeah.
Cheers, cheers. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, now Prasanna, would you like to do your raise hand, please? And then I will get you online. So for as Prasanna is doing that, to just let you know, a good friend, he's all the way from Sri Lanka, not too very far away actually. If you see, this is closer to Sri Lanka for in Bangalore and Chennai and South India, they compared to a lot of other places. Okay, Prasanna, you need to do the raise hand, and then I can get you on. Okay, and I'm also seeing there are a lot of comments coming in. All right. Great, great. Thank you, everyone. There's a lot of Diwali wishes pouring in. So, happy Diwali once again for all those who are watching. That's very kind. Okay. Prasanna, my friend, raise hand and then you're on in the next 2 seconds. And I think just to share about Jivraj also, right? Young man, he's been creating some wonderful resources. And yeah, so Prasanna, thank you for the message. I'm ready. Great. But you need to do the raise hand, right? If you see the raise hand option that is there, if you click on that, then I can take you online. Okay, so Jivraj has been writing a lot of blogs. He's been creating this beautiful podcast with some top-notch founders, and he's a young man. And so nice of him to actually say that he wants to, take up a job and a growth role. Just a moment, guys. Just want to let Prasanna know. Raise hand, okay. And Jagat, if you can just call or ping Prasanna, help him. Maybe he's struggling with something. Right, I got a message. All right, great. So what else can we be doing to help the youngsters who are, not just looking to start up, but they maybe want to intern or they want to join up? So one offer that I'm giving is that any of you folks want to, like it's now Christmas is coming up, Diwali is coming up. For a few weeks, if you guys want to volunteer and just kind of hang around and work with me and at Type Bangalore, because a lot of founders see these are all community initiatives. So, the League of Extraordinary Startups, the Startup Sunday, everything else that is going on is because of these things. Okay, that we can bring the community together, we can bring the ecosystem together, we can share resources, lots of things that is going on that will be of help. And also anything that you need, right? So as I said, we have this IoT matrix coming up, we have the Thai Global Summit coming up, and then in January we are going to be having the TaiCon in Delhi. So there are a lot of opportunities for people to mingle, to network, all virtually. Unfortunately, we don't have a choice. So I mean, unfortunately, I can't do anything about that. But we are actually what is working is that there is a lot of global networks and connections being built, and that is something that is you should not we should not lose out. Okay, in India, one of the things that I always say is the innovation cluster. How do we make sure that everything can be we bring academia together, we bring accelerators together. So that is what really matters. If you become a member of TIE, you can ask for mentoring. You can join a lot of our clinics. You can take part in our sales B2B sales academy. We have the recordings made available. We had created channels for other founders to talk to each other. What are the resources they use? So these are some of the things that I think we can do much more in India. And you should not say that the government should do or accelerators should do. What really matters is that come together as a community, and we must do more and more of these things together. All right. And it is now 6:40, so I don't want to take up more of your anyone else's time, because I'm also getting a reminder from my home that it's Diwali, and don't trouble everyone else. Okay. All right. So it is a wonderful time. It's opportunity for us to reflect on what we can do more, and survival is important. But as things are improving, thriving, growing, creating employment, coming together as communities and ecosystem also plays a very critical and important role. And that's what I would like to say. And thank you so much once again to Kanchan. Thank you so much, Lagan, Jivraj, and Swarnil to join us. It was very kind of you to take your time out. Loved the information and resource sharing. Prasanna, this is the last chance for you, buddy. We got to get you online somehow, figure it out. All right. But otherwise, I would just like to say thank you for all the wealth of love, of resources, of knowledge that is being shared. Let us not stop that. And take care, everyone. Much appreciated. Thank you. Lots of love. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Kanchan. Bye bye. Bye, everyone.